All right, hello everyone. My name is Sarah Duncan. I am thrilled to be here with you guys today. I am here from the Challenge program, and some of you might not know what that is, and that is why I'm here. I'm going to explain to you a little bit about what we do and just how you can get involved with us. So the Challenge program is a nonprofit that sponsors high schools just like this with the help of a business partner, and we give out cash to you students. So we have 5 different award categories in which 5 sophomores, 5 juniors, and 5 seniors win cash every single year with us. So our 5 award categories are attendance, just showing up to school. We have academic improvement, that's improving your grades. It could be from a D to a C or even a B to an A. We have academic excellence, that is maintaining those really good grades. We have community service, investing in your community right here in Butler County. And then we have STEM. So STEM is, of course, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics classes. So there are plenty of opportunities to win, and we are really excited to announce that you guys are currently in the running for all of these awards. So if you are a sophomore, a junior, or a senior, you could be winning one of these awards real soon. So to learn a little bit more about what we do and about how we got started, we're going to listen to a video from our founder, Dan Perkins. He started the Challenge program over 20 years ago. We're also going to hear from some students who have all won at least $1,000 with us. So you're going to want to pay attention and learn how they got to that point. So let's take a look.
I'm Dan Perkins, and 20 years ago, I started the Challenge program. Well, I started the Challenge program because I wanted to give back to the community. My desire was to create something that would help others while giving me a sense of accomplishment and pride. My story started when I was young. I wanted more than my 10-cent allowance. It was then I realized you have a choice in life. There's the easy way, which could get you into some big trouble, and there's the right way, which could start you down the road of success for life. I opted for the right way, which required a lot of hard work and challenging times, but leads to success. Just like me, you have that choice. I started a shoe shining business in a car wash. I knew if I shined shoes at a busy car wash, I could make more money. I learned a lot of useful lessons while working at that car wash. Doing a good job, being professional, courteous, and showing concern for others were key to opening the door to opportunity. As a young black man from a very small town, I never thought I would end up going to Pitt, being an officer in the Marine Corps, meeting the President of the United States, owning a national company, and having the opportunity to talk to you. My mentor gave me the opportunity to earn money the right way by working towards a goal. My story is proof that if you set your mind to something and dedicate the effort to doing it the right way, you can achieve anything you want. In over 100 schools this year, I'm challenging students to achieve their best in 5 award categories. I started the Challenge program because I wanted to give back to high school students.
Greetings everyone, I'm Selena Chen, or Chen Shihang, from Ridley Trobe Senior High School.
I'm Elijah Mimma from Monarchy Tech High School.
And I'm Emily Rogers from Butler High School. I'm here to tell you about how this program changed my life and how it can change yours. The first thing you want to do is pay attention today. Trust me, you won't want to miss anything.
For me, the Challenge program opened up my eyes to a lot of career opportunities I had after high school.
Next, get to know your business partner. Your business partner chose your school to sponsor and provide cash incentives and opportunities to learn about careers in your community. Your business partner will be looking to connect with you throughout the year. This next part is very important, so listen up. Choose one or all of TCP's award categories. The Challenge program will award $200 to 5 seniors, 5 juniors, and 5 sophomores in 5 award categories at every school.
That's right, cash.
The best part is that you don't have to sign up. Just work hard and it will pay off. The categories are attendance, come to school every day.
STEM, challenge yourself to take a STEM course.
Community service, volunteering, track your hours and turn them into your guidance counselor.
Academic improvement, improve your grades. I love this award because I know students who have earned this one for going from a D to a B or B to an A.
Academic excellence, be one of the students in the top of your class.
Seniors have until the end of the third marking period to challenge yourselves in any or all categories. You will be awarded this spring.
Sophomores and juniors, you have until the end of the school year and will be awarded next fall. And the last opportunity for you to earn some cash is the Student of the Year competition. This is a chance at up to $1,500 in cash. Here's what you have to enter to win. When the competition opens, visit the Challenge Program's website and answer a few questions about how the Challenge Program has impacted you. 3 students will receive at least $1,000. Accept the challenge today, just like I did. Just like I did.
Just like I did.
Without the challenge program, I would not have recovered from all the challenges I've been through so quickly. Without the challenge program, I wouldn't be where I am today. You should give this program a chance because it can help you flourish into the student you're meant to be. Now it's your turn. Why not you?
Why not you? Why not you?
Why not you? Why not you?
All right, when they say why not you, they really mean it, because there was a finalist of the Student of the Year competition just from Butler High School. So guys, seriously, take this seriously. We are super excited to be telling you about the challenge program, and we want you guys to get involved. However, none of it would be possible without your business sponsor. So I want to introduce Lindsay. She is here from Lutheran Senior Life, which is your sponsor.
Thank you, Sarah. Hi, I'm Lindsay Strischak. I'm the Corporate Manager of Talent Acquisition and Learning with Lutheran Senior Life. I'm happy to be your business partner this year and look forward to meeting all of you.
Thank you very much for being here. I'm going to ask her a few questions just to pick her brain a little bit, and just so she can tell us a little bit more about the opportunity at Lutheran Senior Life for students like you. So, first of all, Lindsay, which of the Challenge Program's award categories matter to your company?
So definitely attendance. Obviously, if you don't show up to work, you're leaving your teammates behind, and also the same for school. If you're not there to be present, then you're not learning in that environment.
Sure. Yeah. Next up, what kind of career opportunities are at your company?
So at Lutheran Senior Life, we have services throughout Western Pennsylvania, in Butler County specifically, St. John Community in Mars. We have VNA right up the street from the campus here, Advanced Care Center of Butler. We have the Life programs, Passivant Community, and we also have Lutheran Service Society, which is part of our foster and adoption services. So a lot of people don't think of Lutheran Senior Life as we're really a cradle to grave. So we do foster and adoption services. So the opportunities that we have range anything from casual, which is a minimum of 2 shifts a month, all the way up to full-time, which might not be possible, obviously, going to school. But the casual or even part-time in the summer, part-time positions offer benefits. You accrue PTO, so you get some paid time off and holidays as well.
That's awesome. That's great. All right, and last up, do you hire high school students?
We do. Some programs do have an age requirement per the regulations that you need to be 18, but at Passivant Community and St. John Community, they have dining services or food service assistants. They're casual. We also have occasionally maintenance apprentice positions, so anyone in HVAC, anything from, we also pay for your CNA certification when we have those classes, so they're called nurse aid trainee classes. Those are full-time positions though, but we do offer them sometimes in the summer as well. And of course, you know, positions that once you graduate high school go on, we offer a nursing tuition program or education loan program. For anyone that's interested in going to school to become an RN or LPN, we'll pay up to $16,000 for you to go for that nursing degree. Once you pass your boards and become licensed, then you work for us for 2 years.
Yeah, guys, there are plenty of really awesome opportunities at Lutheran Senior Life, not just for, of course, the health students, but for any of you. They have plenty of different positions. There are a lot of hands that go into making a huge company like Lutheran Senior Life possible. So take advantage of this relationship. We encourage you to explore on their website, to use Lindsay as a resource to learn more about what they do and the kind of opportunities that they have for students just like you. More about the Challenge program, too, because there are even more ways that you can earn money with us. Of course, the scholarship funds for each of the award categories is provided by Lutheran Senior Life, but then we also have different competitions that all of our students can enter. The first one being Student of the Year. So this is a competition for all the schools that are involved. You go onto our website, tcpinc.org, and you just tell us about how this program has impacted you. You tell us about how you are investing in yourself and in your future, and that's it. This competition is open now and will be until the beginning of March, and you are able to apply at any time. So there will be 10 winners who will receive money. Now, spots 4 through 10 will each receive $500. The 2 runners-up will receive at least $1,000. And then number 1, it's actually not $1,500 like they said in the video, it's $2,500. So a huge opportunity to win some even more cash with us, and we're really, really thrilled. We want to hear all about what you guys are doing, so please enter this competition. Another way you can win is with our Commitment to Community Service Award. So this is similar. You go onto our website, gcpinc.org, and tell us about how you are investing in your community. So if you are involved with a church, with an after-school program, if you're an Eagle Scout, Girl Scout, whatever it might be, just tell us about your story, tell us about the things that you're involved in, and there will be one winner who will receive $1,000. Now this competition is only open for 1 week in January. It'll be the 15th through the 22nd. So if you need some reminders about that, if you want to hear more about some of the different business partners that we have and the career opportunities that they have for students, or if you want to win some giveaways, you should follow us on social media. This is a shameless plug. You can find us at Challenge Pro Inc. on Instagram and TikTok, and then of course we have our YouTube channel where you can see all the different Student of the Year finalists, and you can learn a little bit more about their stories as well. Huge thank you to Lutheran Senior Life, of course, for being your business sponsor. It wouldn't be possible without them. A huge thank you to your school's administration for making this all possible, and a huge thank you to you guys. We are super excited to reward you for all of the hard work that you're already doing. So I will be back here in May, and I will be handing out the awards for our current seniors. If you are a current sophomore or junior, you guys will be receiving your awards in the fall next year. So we're super excited for this partnership. We're super excited to kick it off with you guys. And hey, if you're around for the career fair that's coming up, look for Lindsay. She's going to be here representing Lutheran Senior Life, and she'll be able to tell you a lot more information about some of the different opportunities that are there. So huge thank you to you guys, and I will be back. We will be back real soon. Thanks.
Thank you.
Hi, sir. What?
Thanks.
You've done this a time or two. I'm shocked. I'm so sorry about the phone.
Oh, don't worry about it.
I mean, of course it had to be mine.
It's fine.
That never
Don't
has
even
ever
worry.
happened to me. I'm always like, not that guy.